Which IKEA TV stand is actually worth buying? Simple question, but the answer isn't so easy when every option looks similar online. Today, I'm breaking down the real differences so you don't waste your time or money. Product number 1, YGOMER Black Power Hub. First up is the YGOMER Black TV stand, a no-frills, budget-friendly option at just $61.15. What caught my eye was the built-in power station with 2 AC outlets, 2 USB ports, and even a Type-C port. If you're tired of crawling behind your TV to plug in devices, this solves that instantly. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Most modern setups need to charge consoles, soundbars, or streaming sticks without turning your space into a wire jungle. This stand handles that cleanly. At 47.2 inches long, it fits 55-inch TVs perfectly, and the open mesh shelves give room for taller gear like a PS5. Plus, with over 1,000 sold last month, it's clearly resonating with people who want function over flash. Now some people might complain about the lack of LED lighting or adjustable shelves. This model keeps things basic. But honestly, if you just want reliable power access and solid storage without paying extra for features you might not use, this does the job. The metal and wood build feels sturdy enough for daily use, though it won't win any design awards. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget but still want smart cable management and decent storage. Skip this one if you need customizable shelving or a more premium look. For under $65, it's hard to beat for pure utility. Product number 2, YGOMER Rustic LED Upgrade. Now, if the plain black design of the last one felt too basic, this YGOMER in rustic brown adds a few upgrades. Most notably, color-changing LED lights and movable shelf panels. Priced at $77.25, it's still affordable, but gives you more control over both lighting and layout. The LEDs let you match your room's vibe, blue for gaming, warm white for movie nights, and the 3 adjustable mesh shelves mean you can raise or lower them based on what you're storing. Got a tall speaker or a vertical console? Just slide the shelf up. Same power station as before, 2 AC, 2 USB, 1 Type-C, so you're not sacrificing function for style. Some buyers mention the LED remote can be finicky. Sometimes it doesn't respond unless pointed directly at the sensor. Here's the thing though, if you treat the lights as a nice bonus rather than a core feature, it's not a deal breaker. The real value is still in the flexibility and power access. This is perfect for you if you want a little ambience with your functionality and need adaptable storage. Skip this if you don't care about lighting or prefer fully enclosed cabinets. For under $80, it's a solid step up from the base model. Product number 3, Furology Soundbar-friendly stand. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually be better if you've got a soundbar. The Furology TV stand, $64.37, includes a dedicated soundbar shelf, something most budget stands skip. That means no more placing your soundbar on top of the TV or balancing it precariously on a separate surface. But the real win is the extra horizontal space designed specifically for audio gear. At 47 inches wide and built with engineered wood and a metal frame, it supports up to 55-inch TVs while keeping everything tidy. Over 600 sold last month shows people are noticing this practical touch. One downside, the particle board top isn't as durable as solid wood, so avoid placing heavy items directly on it long term. Just don't treat it like a workbench. This is perfect for you if you use a soundbar and hate cluttered surfaces. Skip this if you don't have audio equipment or prefer all-metal construction. For the price, it's one of the most thoughtful designs in this range. Product number 4, HOOBRO 65-inch Power Beast. Now if you've got a bigger TV, say 60 or 65 inches, this HOOBRO stand $106.86 is built for you. It's wider at 55 inches and supports larger screens without wobbling. Plus it packs 4 AC outlets, double most others, so you can plug in your TV, console, sound system, and even a lamp without daisy-chaining power strips. Each shelf holds serious weight, 130 pounds on top, 22 pounds below. That means you can safely stack books, speakers, or collectibles underneath without worry. Over 400 sold recently proves it's gaining traction among buyers who need scale and strength. The only real flaw, assembly takes longer than cheaper models. Some users said it took nearly an hour. But once it's up, it's rock solid. If you're setting up a full entertainment zone and don't want to upgrade again in a year, this is a smart investment. This is perfect for you if you have a large TV and multiple devices. Skip this if you're tight on space or only need basic storage. At just over $100, it's the best value for serious setups. Product number 5, Furino Minimalist Tube Stand. Finally, the Furino Turn-S Tube Stand, a minimalist favorite with over 1,000 sold last month. Priced affordably, though exact cost varies, it uses a unique tube and shelf design that's lightweight, easy to move, and surprisingly sturdy for its size. The rounded corners are a nice safety touch, especially if you've got kids or pets. Made with FSC-certified wood, it's also one of the more eco-conscious picks here. No power outlets though, so you'll need a separate surge protector. That lack of built-in charging is the biggest drawback. If you hate visible cords, this might frustrate you. But if you already have a power strip tucked away or just want a clean, simple look without tech clutter, it works beautifully. This is perfect for you if you prioritize style, simplicity, and sustainability. Skip this if you need integrated power or heavy-duty storage. For small spaces or secondary rooms, it's a quiet winner. So which one's right for you? The YGEOMER Black if you want built-in power on a budget. The rustic brown version adds LEDs and adjustable shelves. Furology wins for soundbar users. HOOBRO is the heavyweight for big TVs and multiple devices. And Furino, perfect if you want minimalist design without the tech clutter. All 5 solve real problems. Just pick the one that matches your space and setup.